Alright guys, here's the wave scan for October 24th, 2006. It's for the NASDAQ. Oh, this is a very tough to read. I mean, what is this? Just don't know. That is a very tough pattern to read. I'm guessing it's a 4, but it's not deep enough to be a 4. The Dow just keeps on. Highest target I had of 12,090 and has already surpassed that. And I want a 4 really bad. Maybe the Fed news tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow. I mean, there's usually large seismic moves during the Fed meeting. Because I would love to see a retracement here, a decent sized one, going to the end of October, so we can get some new patterns. Because I'm looking at this wave scan list, I'm not seeing much right now. I could be impulse off the lows, but it looks like a 4. I mean, a lot of these guys are 4s, like on and on a 4 before 5. Google could be starting a 4 right now. The highest target I had was 482 when it was 418. I call it 418. Highest target was 482. High hit an intraday high of 484. So it could correct into 4 anytime. Yahoo 4 before 5. Excuse me, 4 before 5. And this slow down. Amazon. Wow, look at this spike. There's no pattern though. I need patterns, and it's also earnings week and get a lot of messy moves. Adobe looks like a 4, stuck in 4. A lot of this stuff is stuck in 4s, and I just, when you run a site like this, people are like, come on, trade, and I just don't want to, but then sometimes you kind of feel forced to, I don't want to be forced to do anything, but anyway, CHK looks like a 4 before 5. I need a correction. For me to trade personally, I need a correction. HL 4 before 5. I mean, you can go ahead and chase them, but the 4 before 5, go ahead, I dare you. Hansen could be decent if it takes out 33 and a quarter. It could be the one to watch this week. Could be wave 1, wave 2. Hansen. You want money. 4 before 5. This is a big 4. Big side is 4, not a 5. Nothing in GG. Apple. It can form a 4 at any time. I mean, we just can't keep going up like this without a retracement, because you start losing targets. You can't, without targets, you just don't know where to trade. You just kind of like buying blindly, which I don't want to end up doing at the end of the year. I just don't want to end up buying blindly into a rally, So we feel SIL pattern break was a 77 and a quarter, but it looks like it's 5 waves off the 10-day low. That was a SIL Garmin. Could be wave 1, wave 2, but NASDAQ is down right now. I mean, the pattern break is at 50.75, which is real close to it right now. It's Garmin. Very close to it. But NASDAQ's not. I mean, I hate to say it, I just don't know. Most precise targets are. I mean, I just don't want to draw some magic target. The 3 from heavens are very rare. So, COST, no pattern. RAM. Could be in the 3rd wave right now, but we missed it. Killer 10 core, 4 before 5. EMAT, same thing, 4 before 5. Eric, crap. I'm not gonna look at that anymore. It's so illiquid. Staring at that thing while it dribbles around. I'm only gonna trade Googles and Apples. That's it, pretty much. BBY, no pattern. PTM. Very choppy. NTAP. Ugh. 4 before 5 down. NVIDIA. Stuck in a 4. A lot of these guys just stuck in 4s, and you don't see this too often. MCHP could be inverse pattern break right there. Could be shortable right where it is right now. MCHP. Could be one to watch. Novelis. 4. ERTS. Inverse pattern break just occurred. Too late. Qualcomm. Inverse pattern break occurred. Could be one to watch as a short. I just don't like these These charts are just really bad. I mean, look at the NASDAQ, guys. Come on. I mean, I just don't want to be pressured to do anything, and it feels like I'm under pressure. It's like, come on, trade, trade, trade. You know, I just don't know. When I don't know, I just don't like to trade. You know, that's the thing. I mean, if I wasn't running this website, I'd be off on vacation somewhere. ATVI. It's very hard, guys. This is not. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not an ego trip, but it's true. It's rare when I don't know. Maybe happens maybe once a year. I don't know right now until I see a correction. SanDisk. I'm just being honest with you guys. I'll only know if I see a correction. That's a wrap.